Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the battery in my 2020 GTR. I've had this since June of 2020. It has 13,000 miles on it. It doesn't get on the trickle charger as much as it needs to during the wintertime because I don't drive it in the wintertime. So first thing, we're going to open the hood, set up the prop rod, and then we're going to come over here and on the North American versions, the battery's on the passenger side. European versions, the battery is on the obviously the passenger side, on that side. So there's 4 pins right here, 4 little plastic clips. I've already loosened them up a little bit. I'm trying not to lose them. We're gonna lift this up somehow. I feel this is supposed to, oh, we got one more right there. Okay. I don't quite understand why this isn't going anywhere. Okay, it says a clip. So we'll use, and I must admit that I've never done this before in my whole entire life, so this is all completely new to me. I'm just going to leave that in there and hope that I can clip it back in later. So we're going to take this, lay it over here. On the back of this weather stripping is little plastic pins that hold that on. And I don't want to break those pins. There's also a clip here and a plastic clip here. Now, you can manhandle the battery out from this position, but I highly wouldn't recommend it. And then we're going to take this fits up underneath the glass. There is one more pin right there. Come on, baby. Okay. 20,000 plastic clips later. There you go. Okay, so we'll loosen up the negative terminal first. Whoop. See that spark? We'll shove him down somewhere. Shove over here. And then we'll take our extension off, even though it shouldn't spark anymore. Okay. And then loosen up the J-hook. And also on the back side, The backside one is about 1.5 inches long, and the front side one is about 7 or 8 inches long. And I can tell you right now, this is going to be a pain in the ass to get out later. Maybe I'll just leave that one attached. Oh shit, that's heavy. And I will be replacing it with this interstate battery. This is an AGM battery, MTX 51R. And okay, the clip is in, handles down, and if you can see the little hook, we want the hook open end pointed towards the car so it won't rub, vibrate, or pierce the battery, because that would be not good. So we just get it almost there. There we go. Give a little up pressure. Reverse our wrench. Make sure it's setting in there correctly. I don't want to jinx myself, but this is going pretty freaking good. A little snug there. Snug it down on the back side. Now we just are holding it in place. We're not trying to crush the living shit out of it. I'd say that's pretty good. Feel good about that. Feel good about that. Rotate our positive terminal into place, seating it all the way. Cover that up. Now to the negative terminal. Make sure it's seated all the way. Hopefully I didn't lose all my radio stations, which I probably did. All right, now everything just in reverse. Now that we've got all that pinned back together, let's see what happens here. And I just want to say thank you so very much for watching. Till next time.